going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Damn, it's Friday here. So we're here out in the desert. You guys clearly see here, and everybody just left me and went on a ride. So we gotta go on a ride now. Let's go. All right, guys, we have arrived at the hill. I'm sorry, for some reason the GoPro is not turning on, so I'm trying to fix it, restart it. These GoPros, I gotta say, they really suck. Cannot rely on a GoPro. What happened, man? No wheelie? He's pissed. He's not wheeling.
The purple buggy is a lot faster.
Yeah, the purple buggy will smoke that thing. Something might be wrong with that car. It might be running on 6 cylinders. He's been trying to wheelie, for some reason he's not wheeling. He's a little upset. Looks like you had a little situation then. Or no wheelies, man. The purple buggy's just too fast, huh? Good morning, guys. Uncle Martin has arrived. The Doofingster is here. Antoine and G have arrived. This poor Duramax over here, I had to help him. He couldn't make it up the grades or down the grades. Hey, what's going on in here?
What's going on?
Everybody on the channel want to know how the Duramax do. Was it okay? I mean, I saw you were like
it was flying, dude.
third gear. Sixth gear.
100 miles an hour.
See, guys, he messed up. He sent me a photo, and I noticed from the speed and the RPM that he couldn't go and climb in 6th and downshifted into 5th, but he told me it was in 6th. But I could tell by the RPM that he was in 5th gear.
You're such an asshole.
Too many toe tests. Did you guys remember? You guys remember Antoine's setup here? I did a video on it a while ago. If you want to see that, I did a full review on the trailer. But this is it's a beautiful trailer. It's fully insulated, air conditioning, triple axle, lights outside. I mean, it's just an amazing enclosed trailer. I would buy this just to have it, just because I don't know why, but it's just such a nice trailer. It'd be nice to have. And you guys remember, this is his 2019, I believe, Duramax L5P, 18 or 19 L5P. He's debating on doing lift, so he did a leveling kit. And this is for you guys that asked me about leveling kits. So he did a leveling kit on this truck, and he told me, Eddie, I absolutely hate this thing. I cannot stand the way it drives. He is the same way. He cannot stand the way this thing drives. And he's going to end up getting rid of the leveling kit and going with a lift kit. He's just not sure which kit or which suspension setup he wants to go with. He does want to add airbags in this thing, well, because you can see it's like doing a wheelie. And well, you can ask him how oh, is that the 135 mile an hour only one? Mine's 155.
I don't know, Bob.
Yeah.
Why are we competing in air drive? Yeah, but we're not doing this again. Not buying no more shit. We're talking, I have the 12-amp battery.
I got the big 12.0.
Where'd you guys put it?
Uh-oh.
Lance.
Uh-oh. Oh, he's loading up on his alkylate. That's one thing we got to install in here is a fridge. We need to put a little mini fridge. Yeah, somewhere in like one of these compartments. Yeah, look at that.
Mini fridge
Right there.
in there,
Mini fridge, so you don't have to deal with this.
TV fridge.
This guy, guys, I've given him so many ideas. I gave him these ideas months ago, and look what got done. Absolutely nothing. I told him TV, little mini fridge. I told him we need to clean up a little bit in here. And nothing got done.
Gotta work.
Nothing got done.
Some of us have jobs.
Okay. All right, 10-4. All right, guys, breakfast is all done. That was great. Oh, also, another thing I forgot to let you guys know. So, the Weekend Warrior is officially up for sale. So, if you guys are interested, you can DM me at my Instagram at Eddie's Life and let me know if you're interested in it. Oh, hey, how you doing, baby mama? Yes, I was recording, so I knew he'd stall. That's why I wanted to get that on camera. You're weird. Hey. Don't blame nothing on the clutch because you're on camera, pal. Give him a sec, trying to find first gear. Come on, you can do it.
Careful, don't stress him out.
Come on, I'm doing this so he's stressed.
Clutch pedal's dead, look. Oh,
Yeah, no, he did. He's got to adjust something in the clutch, he said. I'm running out of footage here.
What the fuck is punched in right here?
Oh, that tire. Whoa. Hey, he's roosting good now. He's like a Jeep. All right, guys, looks like everybody is gone. Got the GoPro ready for you guys because you guys want to see some riding footage, you said. So here we go. Let's go talk to the guy, see what happened. I'm not sure. Trying. What would you like to thank any of your sponsorships or anything? Whoa, what happened over here? Whoa, what the?
That's why, dude. I was going one wheel.
I was wondering why you turned around because I heard a snap. See, guys, what happens?
I heard a snap.
Yeah, you see what happens?
I heard something, but I didn't know what it was until I came
Where's the exhaust?
That's what happens when you try to race a Can-Am.
Unbolted.
They don't unbolt, they pop out.
No, just pull, yeah, just, it'll yank up.
That's tight to here. Okay, like this.
Okay.
Damn, you must have hit hard.
I heard something. Did you see me pull really left? Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I turned. What the hell? I go, he must have broke something.
You lost your whip too.
No, I thought he lost control of the car.
Oh, then what happened here?
What?
Did you learn your lesson trying to race Can-Ams?
Too much power.
You got to upgrade your transmission and CV. So I would go 934 with a sequential S4.
Yeah, I think it's side by side.
No, we'll do with the S4. What do you think? Does this make you want to hurry up and finish your buggy?
Yeah.
Yeah. So guys,
That piece of shit Nissan of yours?
Nah, I like.
if you guys remember Anthony, he's the one that has the beautiful BFD buggy that's being built right now, and he got this for temporary, but I think he's over it. Guys, there's a lot of talking over here with this guy. You guys remember this guy that got smoke? Let me zoom in on him real quick. Remember this guy that had to smoke up the hill? Yeah, that's it. There you go. He's talking smack. Go ahead. Go ahead. I'm going to have my Cummins fans attack you on YouTube. No, I'm going to have them attack him on YouTube. That's the Duramax guy right there, guys. Look at that. The camera turns on. He's silent now. You can't even hear him. You can't. Wait, dude, you drive a Tundra, okay? Don't even talk.
I actually drive a Duramax.
No, you don't drive a Duramax. You have like a Toyota Tundra. No, you don't.
Bet on it right now.
I asked you, what do you take to do your drift car, and you told me your Toyota Tundra.
I can have my arm.
So,
I can
wait, so you have an L5P and you tow with a Tundra? Huh?
Put a grand on it.
No, I'm really asking you. You tow with a Tundra?
Yeah.
You what?
My work truck.
Your work truck is what? Oh, so you don't really have it then. You just
Yeah.
have like a, it's sort of like a loaner. Like you're leasing it. So it's like you can't do anything to it. You're going to keep it stock basically.
It's already deleted.
Oh, an L5P. Oh, really? What's your Instagram so everybody can see it?
I don't have Instagram.
Oh, you got some? What is it? Duramax Beast?
It's full coming.
Well, guys, they're coming haters. But I mean, I would, yeah, except Johnny. But I would love to go against him up the grades with his trailer. But I mean, I don't know. You gonna follow me? Cause the last Ford guy, he disappeared real quick.
Something flew on me from the fire and I blew on it. It wouldn't go away.
And then we started talking smack about Michael over there. His Chevelle can't run up in my house. High altitude, that thing dies. But he says you gotta drive it. I mean, I stuck my foot. It tried to burn out. It just didn't do anything. Huh?
You gotta roll into it.
How do you roll into a burnout?
Yeah, I don't know about that.
All right, guys, food's ready. Excuse me. Duramax owners are in the back of the line. Duramax owners stay in the back of the line.
How about Tundra owner?
The Toyota guy.
Cummins.
I gotta do so much editing with this guy.
Trannies are going out on 3K.
Hey, I got 8K on mine.
No, 3K more till it's gone.
Oh.
Hey, at least mine locked close.
Yours lasted like
Yours lasted to 36,000 miles.
20, 30? Yeah, that's not bad. You almost had 40K on your training. That's good. All right, guys.
They're used to going to the junkyard.
Food is ready. Now, as you guys know, the Alcalator and Big Lou are not here, so we just have carne, some basic food. That's it. That's all we got. It's just carne and bread. Good morning, guys. Everybody's left. It's time to, actually, it's about afternoon. Now, it's time to let the old Rammer warm up and head home. All right, guys, weekend is officially over. We have arrived here in the garage. Ram is all cleaned up. Son is yelling and screaming. I gotta finish the vlog. No? Okay. Well, the Ram is all cleaned up. But now we have to, what is it? Go ahead. What's the problem?
color all over the down.
You want to color all over my camera?
Yeah.
Why do you want to do that?
Because I not like it.
Why don't you like it? People want to see you in the vlog.
No.
But they do.
No.
No? So should I just tell them that's it? Sorry, you're leaving the vlog?
Yeah.
Okay, well, say your farewell goodbyes. What? So that's all I got for you guys this weekend. Ram is clean. We're going to get it ready, head out next week. But thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button over, click subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.